Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about how to improve performance issues with Google Apps using public DNS. Recently Google introduced Google Public DNS that can be used as an alternative to your current DNS provider. If you are like most of us Google Apps users and have some troubleshooting issues and using Google App, then we suggest you try reconfiguring your DNS configurations to Google Public DNS. All you have to do is use the IP addresses 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 as your DNS services. Before putting all the blame to your internet services provider, try the Google Public DNS. Any Gmail problems should be long gone. There are a lot more benefits from using the Google Public DNS, like speeding up your browsing experience. Your DNS services determine which route your internet connection takes, which can result in slow speed if the routing is poor. Fortunately, Google Public DNS comes quite handy is here as well. Why should you try Google Public DNS? One of the main benefits for using the Google Public DNS are number one, speed up your browsing experience, improve your security, get the results you expect with the absolutely no redirections. How to set up your Google Public DNS? Configure your network setting to use the IP addresses and as your DNS services. DNS settings are specified in the TCP/IP properties windows for the selected networks connections. If you are Microsoft Windows users, go the control planes, networks and internet networks and sharing center, change adapter settings. Select the connection for you which you want to configure a Google Public DNS and right click properties, select internet protocol versions or internet protocol versions. Select use the following DNS services addresses if there are any IP addresses listed in the performed DNS services or alternates DNS services. Write them down for future reference. Replace those addresses with the IP addresses for of the Google DNS services. From the Apple menu, click System Performance Networks. If the lock icon in the lower left hand corner of the Windows is locked, click the icon to make change, and when prompted to authenticators enter your password. Select the connection for which you want to configure Google Public DNS. Select the DNS tab. Click plus to replace any listed addresses with or add the Google IP addresses at top of the list. For those of you who are not quite sure how to DNS works, go how DNS works explained. Categories are mentioned here. Okay guys, thank you watching for my video. See you next time. Bye bye.